Hi there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset the Chrome app in iPhone. Chrome app doesn't have an inbuilt reset option, but it has the option to clear the data, the browsing data. For that, what you need to do is you need to tap on these three dot options and go to clear browsing data. And within here, you have this all the options. So you can select all these options and then you can just choose a time range to all time and hit on the clear browsing data, which will delete all the saved passwords and all the data that is being saved. However, it will not remove your account details and all other stuff. In order to do a complete reset, you need to uninstall the Chrome app itself. For that, you can tap and hold the Chrome icon and then you can go and select remove app, and from here you can choose delete app, and you will be confirming whether you want to delete this app, which will also delete its data. So you can just choose delete. Once it is deleted, the Chrome app will be removed and you can again go back to the App Store, and within the App Store you can search for Chrome and then you can just install it. So in this way it will completely reset the Chrome app and also install a fresh version. That's it. Please hit the like button if you find this video helpful and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers.